This is the Zxyculture Kayak Cooler, which is designed to fit perfectly onto paddleboards or kayaks with lawn chair style seats. We bought this cooler to stay hydrated and well fed while we're out on nautical adventures, so today we will be unboxing and testing it to give you a proper idea about its perks and features. The cooler bag arrived in a compact box and was easy to unpack. Upon opening, we were impressed with its excellent quality and craftsmanship. The bag has a thick, durable feel to it and is made of insulating material that's designed to keep food and drinks cool or warm for up to 24 hours. Its top opening zipper provides easy access to drinks and food, and there are side pockets that can hold water bottles or umbrellas. There's also a zippered pocket for a cell phone and a removable mesh pocket for keys, snacks, and fishing tools. This portable cooler also comes with a durable shoulder strap that can be detached, as well as anti-slip matting at the bottom to prevent sliding on a kayak or back seat. The package also includes 8 bungee cords for holding the cooler bag and other items securely in place, and there's even an easy-to-understand user guide that provides all the information needed to start using the cooler bag right away. To test how well it performs, we took the Zxyculture Kayak Cooler out for a spin on a kayaking trip. The cooler bag fit securely onto the kayak's lawn chair style seat, and the bungee balls kept it in place. We were impressed with the capacity of the cooler bag, which held up to 26 cans of beer and plenty of ice. The side pockets were convenient for storing water bottles and snacks, and the zippered pocket was perfect for storing our cell phones. This cooler right here is made of PEVA and EPE material with an 8mm high-density EPE insulated foam. Zxyculture claims the cooler can keep drinks cold for over 24 hours. However, our trip did not last that long. We were out kayaking for around 8 hours, and this cooler managed to keep our bottles cold and refreshing the entire trip despite being under the hot sun all day. Nevertheless, for testing purposes, we kept our drink inside the insulated compartment to observe how long they can hold on. And after 22 long hours, we can see the ice melting inside. Pretty impressive. The removable mesh pockets were useful for holding our snacks and small items like keys and fishing tools, while the top opening zipper made accessing drinks and food incredibly convenient. We also appreciate the durable shoulder strap, which made carrying the cooler bag a breeze. Moreover, the anti-slip mat was a great help as it kept the cooler bag stable on our kayak and we did not experience any slipping or sliding around. Overall, we were very impressed with the Zxyculture Kayak Cooler. It's a well-made, versatile cooler bag that's perfect for use on a kayak or paddleboard. It's durable, insulated, and has a large capacity, making it perfect for all-day trips. The side pockets and zippered pockets are useful for holding small items, and the removable mesh pockets are a great touch. The shoulder strap is comfortable and easy to use, and the anti-slip matting keeps the bag securely in place. If you're in the market for a high-quality portable cooler bag for your kayak or pedalboard, the Zxyculture Kayak Cooler is an excellent choice.